Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE RedMagic 10 Air, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will reveal a bunch of toggles, and then on one of the pages right here you should have a power saving mode. If you don't, we'll need to add it ourselves by clicking on this pencil right here. Scroll down and look for the Go Power Saving. Click on, or actually hold this, and then drag it above here, above the hold and drag to add shortcut. And when you go back, you should have access to it on one of the pages. And there it is for me. When you enable it, it changes the filling of the battery to green to signify that it is right now running. And once you're done needing it, you can find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this will obviously turn it off and revert all the changes. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.